Hello guys, in this video we will be discussing about the skewness and the graphical representation of skewness along with the formulas of skewness and kurtosis and Pearson methods. We will be trying to deal with the shapes as well as the graphs based on the moments and the Pearson's beta and quartile deviation values. So skewness. So skewness means the lack of symmetric. We need to study skewness to have an idea about the shape of the curve which we can draw with the help of our given data, a frequency distribution, that is mean, median and mode. So if we consider the quarters are not equidistance from median, so it is quite complicated. The curve drawn with the help of the given data is not symmetric but sketch move to one side then the other side. We'll be having the graphical representation of skewness as below. If mean is equal to median is equal to mode, the skewness will be, the graph will be so this y-axis and this is x-axis. This is a graph where mean is equal to median is equal to mode, and we'll be having another graph. This is a normal graph and this is a positive skewness graph where mean greater than median equal to or and anything mean greater than mode. So if mean is greater than both of the median and mode, that is called as positive skewness. Positive skewness graph will be like this. And another graph, that is negative skewness. Negative skewness. So negative skewness in our graph is not mean value is less than the median and mode. That is mean less than median, parallel or equal to or and anything anything you can write as per your requirement. So mean less than mode. So for this type of condition we will be having a graph as like this. So these are the these are the graphs of skewness. So let us try to write the all the formulas of the skewness. Let us write the measures of skewness. So measures of skewness can be classified into two types. Let me write. So what we have seen is the absolute skewness. So skewness are classified into two types: absolute skewness, absolute measures, as well as the relative measures. So absolute measures, we will be finding the skewness from absolute measure is if skewness s of k is equal to, s of k is nothing but the skewness is mean minus mode, or we can calculate a skewness sk is equal to mean minus median. By using the central tendency, we can find the skewness as we should subtract mode from the mean, or we should subtract median from the mean. By that way we will be getting the skewness which will be considered as absolute measures. So if we deal with the relative measures are classified into three types. One is Carl Pearson coefficients of skewness, and second one is Boyle's coefficients of skewness, and third one is Pearson coefficients of skewness. We have seen Pearson's, but we didn't see the Boyle's law as well as the Kroll-Peterson methods. We'll be doing in the further videos. So don't worry. Just in this video, just learn the formulas and try to remember all the formulas. We'll be using it in the problems later. So Carl Pearson's coefficients coefficients of skewness. SK. So for Karl-Pearson coefficients of skewness, the skewness formula can be derived as SKP. Skewness of Pearson is equal to mean minus mode by standard deviation. You know that the formula of standard deviation is 1 by n sigma f of x minus x bar whole square. So this is the formula of standard deviation. We have to substitute it in this place to get the skewness of Pearson, or you can use the formula 3 of thrice of mean minus median, difference of mean minus median by standard deviation to get the SKP, that is skewness of Pearson. By using these two formulas, we can get the skewness of Pearson method. Karl-Pearson using the Karl placement. Next one is Boyle's coefficients. Boyle's or anything you can pronounce as anyways as you wish. Boyle's coefficients of skewness. So in Boyle's coefficients of skewness, we will be using the quartile deviation formula. So SKB, skewness of Boyle's is equal to quartile deviation 3 plus Q1 minus 2 Q2 by Q3 minus Q1. So this is the formula where we need to find the Boyle's coefficient, that is quartile 3 plus quartile 1 minus 2 quartile Q2 Q3 minus Q2. This is the formula for the Boyle's coefficients. Coming to the Pearson method, do you already know that what are Pearson coefficients? Pearson's coefficients of skewness. So Pearson coefficients of skewness are nothing but the beta 1. Beta 1 is equal to mu3 square by mu2 cube, and gamma 1 is equal to plus or minus root of b1 dash. So this is the these are the formulas to find the Pearson coefficients. In case if the so these are the relations and the formulas to find the measures of skewness, and there is a relations, and there are some relations where we can find that the graph is the skewness is symmetric or positive symmetric or negative symmetric by using the conditions if SKP or SKB are equal to 0, that is and B1 equal to 0. If SKP equal to SKB and beta 1 equal to 0, we say that the skewness we say that the frequency distribution is symmetric, that is it is in both equal parts, symmetric in nature. If skewness of Karl-Pearson and the symmetric of base law as well as the beta 1 greater than 0. See, if beta 1 is greater than 0, it means that it has positive skewness. Okay, it will be having positive skewness. So next one, it will be easy for you to guess. If SKP is equal, SKP or it should not be equal, or SKP or SKB or beta 1 less than 0. If beta 1 less than 0, it is considered as negative skewness. So this is the way to find any distribution is skewed or partially skewed or symmetric use, or it is symmetric. If SKP, that is skewness of Karl-Pearson, is equal to symmetric of Boyle's law, and beta 1 equal to 0, that is Pearson coefficient equal to 0, we say that the distribution or the graph is symmetric. Else if SKP, skewness of Karl-Pearson as well as Boyle's, and B1 greater than 0, that is beta 1 greater than 0 of Pearson coefficients, we said that it is positive symmetric. If SKP or SKP, that is Boyle's law, and B1 less than 0, if it is less than beta 1 is less than 0, it will be negative skewness. All the skewness will be based upon this 2 itself. By looking at the beta value, we will be saying that it is symmetric or positive symmetric or negative symmetric, and we will be trying to find out the correlation coefficients and Boyce-Law coefficients. For further sake, I will explain to you in next further videos. Thank you for this. In this video, we have discussed about the skewness and the formulas which were we go which are which we are going to use it in further. Thank you.